Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class. Today we study past simple, regular verbs.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn regular verbs in the past.
First, I will show the lesson structure. Theory, we learn the main rules. Examples, we see clear past sentences. Quiz, you choose the correct form. Nexo, are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory. We will go step by step.
Great. Short steps help me learn.
Finished actions in the past. We use the past simple for actions that started and finished in the past. The action is not happening now. Example, I watched a movie yesterday. Example, she cleaned the kitchen last night. Affirmative form with ed. For many regular verbs, add ed to make the past simple. The subject does not change the verb. Example, I played tennis. Example, they visited a museum. Example, he opened the window. Simple spelling changes. If a regular verb ends in E, add only D. This keeps the word easy to read. Example, she danced at the party. Example, we lived in a small house. If a verb ends in consonant plus Y, change Y to IED. This is common with short regular verbs. Example, the baby cried. Example, he carried a blue bag. Negative form. To make a negative sentence, use did not plus the base verb. Do not add ed after did not. Example, I did not watch TV. Example, they did not clean the room. In speaking, did not often becomes didn't. The verb after didn't stays in the base form. Example, she didn't call her friend. Example, we didn't paint the wall. Questions and short answers. To ask a past simple question, start with did, then use the subject and the base verb. Example, did you play football? Example, did she visit the zoo? For short answers, use yes, subject did, or no, subject didn't. The main verb is not needed in a short answer. Example: yes, I did. Example: no, they didn't. Good work with the theory. Now we use more examples.
I want to see regular verbs in real sentences.
The girl painted a red door. The boy cleaned his bike. My sister washed the plates. The teacher opened the book. We walked in the park. They played music at home. The dog jumped over the box. She danced in a blue dress. He carried a small chair. The baby cried in the room. I didn't close the door. They did not visit the farm. Did you call your mother? Did the man fix the car? Yes, she did. The examples are done. Now it is quiz time.
I will choose the correct past form.
Choose an option. Played. I played soccer yesterday. Choose an option. Cleaned. She cleaned her desk. Choose an option. Visited. They visited the beach. Choose an option. Opened. He opened the box. Choose an option. Danced. We danced at the party. Choose an option. Studied. The girl studied. Choose an option. did not watch. I did not watch the game. Choose an option. Didn't call. She didn't call her brother. Choose an option. Didn't paint. They didn't paint the fence. Choose an option. Did you play? Did you play cards? Choose an option. Did he fix? Did he fix the radio? Choose an option. We did. Yes, we did. Good job. You completed this grammar class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next lesson.